Oh yeah, baby. Nice head shake, beautiful redfish. Look at that monster. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh my God, yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, baby. Roll the grass in it. Oh my God, that's a heavy sucker. Beautiful, gorgeous redfish. Oh, fish on. Fish on again. Carbon? Oh. Fish on. Oh, no, they were there. They're there. Dude, they're there. Let me turn back. They're there. Oh, he's hitting it. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, fish on. Fish on. This is crazy. This is insane. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that color. Oh, another bronze. Oh, fish on. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Spotlight. Just trolling. On my way back, another red. Yes, baby, beautiful. Nice. These redfish. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Connor, your youth fisherman, back here. Another beautiful Florida morning. Starting out late. We're at River Breeze, Mosquito Lagoon. Partly cloudy day. No rain showing today, so hopefully, crossing fingers, gonna be a great day. I like this partly cloudy because I could work my top water all day long. So today's goal, since I don't have too much time, I still have to pick up my kids from school. I just dropped them off school, so I only have like 3 hours window to fish. Hey, I'll take it, right? Anytime I get a chance to fish, I will. I'm gonna try my favorite pink house real quick and then go back into flats. Today's goal, definitely catch a redfish. It's been a while I haven't caught a redfish. The weather bad, a lot of storms, murky water, dirty water. I mean, you can see right there. Before it was crystal clear and low, now it's super high. I mean, 2-3 feet higher and super dirty. So we're definitely gonna use darker lures. That's the rule. Whenever you have murky, dark waters, you use darker lures. Let's see if that's gonna work. That's what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna show you later on what I use, but stay tuned. Target species again, snook, redfish, trout, but definitely I wanna catch a redfish. So I'm in the flats now. I'm gonna go all around. I got my couple spots that I caught redfish, snook before. Here it is. Halux hook, Haas Halux hook, weedless. This is the NLBN mini mullet. I choose this color, kind of like little orangey, little darker loop knot. I have 20-pound fluorocarbon, 15-pound braid. I have my 3000 Daiwa Fuego, and we're just gonna slow down. Super high. The water is crazy high. So hopefully with the darker profiles. I also have the shrimp, the voodoo shrimp, darker one, not the lighter one. See how the dark the tail is, the body is on top. I'm gonna use that same way, weedless hook, same setup. And this one, I have the pedal tail, that's the mulligan. I picked that purple color again to match the hatch. See how dark the water, you see the dead grass all over the place. It's murky and dirty and super high. So you have to really work harder because you cannot sight fish. You just have to look for the bait jumping, look for the big swells, redfish, you know, going around in schools, birds flying, right underneath. So you got to look for those telltale signs. It's gonna definitely make you work harder to catch a fish, but it's worth it. See, little bait jump there, stuff like that. But darker profiles, that's the Salt Strong Mulligan purple color, again on a weedless. I paired it with my favorite rod, 2500 Ivo Fuego, and I have the Penn Battle 3 medium light 7.6 rod. That's my best combo ever for inshore fishing. I highly recommend you guys get this. I put 10-pound braid, 20-pound fluorocarbon, boom, ready to go. So those are the lures I'm using. I'm not using live bait. As you can see, you don't need live bait to catch a redfish, snook, trout. So we're working those darker profiles today and just kind of scouting the area, but unbelievable. 2 months ago, there was absolutely no water here. It was clear, but there was no water. Like, I had to, right on the corner, I had to get out of my kayak, out literally, and pull my kayak because I bottomed out. Less than 5-inch water. And now it's 3 feet of water. Like, amazing how the summer storms changes the water and the environment that you're fishing in. So you have to adapt and match the hatch basically. So let's see if you can catch a nice redfishes. The area, I caught so many redfish before, like unbelievable, during the fall season. So I can't wait for October, November, December, after the storms, and it's gonna be nice and clear as well. So yeah, I can't wait. Like right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right here. I caught so many redfish. Oh, fish on. Oh, fish on. Spot luck. What did I just tell you guys? Oh yeah, baby. Nice head shake, beautiful redfish. Look at that. Oh yes, baby. Look at that. Gorgeous tail. Oh man. Wow. That is a beautiful redfish. In the net, baby. What I tell you guys. Wow, what a color, what a beautiful fish. Unbelievable. See the darker profile. Wow, that is a gorgeous fish. Yes. All right, let's do the fish grab right on the side of the mouth. Did that. Easy, 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 baby, easy. I'm gonna let you go. You're a beautiful fish. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wow, gorgeous fish. There you go. Easy, easy. Right there. NLBN, darker color, and just like I said, last time I did that, lure went into the motor. I'm not doing that again. I'm definitely not doing that again. That was a mess, see? I just messed it up. Anyways, put this here for now. Look at this, guys. Beautiful tail, one spot there, one spot there. Keep him in the water. Yes, yes. Let's measure him real quick. Wow. I was just telling you guys, this is the area that I caught so many redfish. All right, here we go. We got a little over the 21. 19, 20, 21. 21-inch redfish. Beautiful slot redfish. Nice and healthy. I love it. Here we go. I'm gonna let him go. What a healthy, beautiful redfish. Look at that, guys. Look at those nice bronze color. Gorgeous, gorgeous tail. Wow. It's like bronze pink. I love it. Yes, baby. Guys, I'm throwing the purple paddle tail mulligan towards the mangrove lines and throwing the NLBN mullet on my left. I do catch a lot of fish trolling, especially during fall. I put the rod holder here this way. I kind of keep my distance a little bit. I would say maybe 20 yards, 15-20 yards, and I catch a lot of redfish that way. So that's a good method to catch on a boat, kayak, whatever you have. Just kind of troll. Oh my god, that was a huge fish. Oh my god, dude, he took it. That was a big fish. Oh my god, that was a big fish. He let go. Oh, I should have hooked it right away. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys saw that rod bend. I'm telling you, there are some big fish here. Holy crap, there are some big fish here. Wow, dude, that was a big ass fish. I felt the power. He let go. Oh my god. Well, can't catch them all, right? That's what I was saying. See, I troll like that and just cruising by. This is like a highway for the redfish snook. They just cruise on and boom, you're on. Oh wow, guys, that was a big fish. And you just saw the blow up right in front of us. That's also another big fish. Come on, come on, come on. Let's catch a monster. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Oh, I need to. Oh. Oh my god, that's a beautiful red. Oh no, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that again. Oh yeah, baby. Let me spot lock. Let me spot lock. Let me spot lock. Yes. I told you guys there's big fish here. I told you guys there's big fish here. Oh. Yes, baby. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Bigger than the other one, but in the meantime, oh my god, we got tangled with the one I was trolling. Well, I figured that one out in a bit. Oh my god. See, I shouldn't be using two lines. How is this? Hold on, before it gets too tangled up. Oh my god. Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Here we go. Oh no. Well, let me get him off. Let me get him off, and then we'll figure that one out. I'll put that right there for now. Oh, guys, another beautiful redfish. Oh, that's a big boy. I told you there are big fish here. I'm telling you guys. Once the weather temperatures goes down, water temperature goes down, this fish, they move, man. They move. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Look at that. Oh my god, that's a big fat redfish right on the side of the mouth. Purple. I'm telling you guys. See the purple? Yes. Oh, hold on. Look at that. With all the grass in it. Oh my god, that's a heavy sucker. Beautiful, gorgeous redfish. My goodness. Well, I'll do this later. Look at that. Let me measure him. Oh. Well, he's gone. He's released. Well, that was a good 26, 27 inch redfish. Oh my god. Yes, baby. That's what it's all about. I love this, man. All right, now let's clear this mess. Oh, fish on. Fish on again. Oh! Are you kidding me? There were 3-4 of them right there. Oh, broke me off. Broke me off from the fluorocarbon. Oh, are you serious, man? Let me throw the water shrimp. Dude. Oh. From the 15 fluorocarbon? Oh, fish on. Oh, no, they were there. They're there. Dude, they're there. Let me turn back. They're there. Oh, hitting it. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, fish on. Fish on. This is crazy. This is insane. This is insane. I love it. What a morning. Oh my God. Oh my God, what a more. Oh, don't go the motor. Let me spot back. Don't go the motor. Oh, I love it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Beautiful, beautiful red. How did it break the 15-pound braid? I mean, fluorocarbon. That's a beautiful red. Oh yeah, baby, look at that color. Oh, another bronze. I love it. Let me put this back. Hey, you break one, you get the other one. But how did they break? Oh my God, guys, look at this. Woo! Hold on, buddy. Beautiful, another beautiful red. That's the water shrimp. Oh my God, they're right there chilling in that little pocket. That's why I always tell you guys, work the little pockets, little cuts. Oh my God, look at this. See, darker profile again. There we go. Oh my God. Easy, easy, baby. I got you right on the side of the mouth. Look at that. Look at the hook set. Oh, easy, man. Look at the hook set. Guys, oh my God, another big boy. That's a heavy sucker too. Easy, easy. We're gonna measure this one. Put that back in here. Wow, what a morning. We definitely need to extend this. How do I extend this? Hold on. Hold on, hold on. With two hands, hold on. There you go. Okay, we have 24 and a half exactly. 24 and a half beautiful redfish. I guess we need to keep this open, huh? Let's keep him in the water. Take a quick picture. Wow, guys, look at this. How beautiful. What a gorgeous color. What a beautiful redfish. Right there. One big spot there. One big spot there. My goodness, that's a heavy sucker. Oh, yes, baby. That's our third big redfish. They were all there, 4 or 5 of them, and we got them. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, I just got off. Are you kidding me? That was a big fish. I knew it was there. And I was just gonna tell you guys, I caught a redfish a bunch of times in here in this little channel. He was running that way. Maybe he'll hit again. Oh, that was a big fish. Ah, that was a big fish. He took the NLBN and he let go. Yeah, but I should have hooked that. Ah, come on. He went that way. Really? What a morning, guys. What a morning. Redfish fired up on this murky water. Dude, he took off. Like, took off. I should have hooked him better. Yeah, that's my bad. Oh, I like it. What is there? What is there? Let's slow down. Something's there. Super low. Lots of grass. Wow, that's the lowest water I've seen for a long time. Oh wow. What was it though? Oh man. Oh, fish on. I told you. Dude, look for those. Let me slow down. What is that, trout? Oh yeah, beautiful trout. Look at that trout, guys. Wow. We just need the snook to get the inshore slam. See, that's a beautiful trout. Yes, that is a gorgeous trout. Oh baby, look at that. Wow. Yes. Easy, 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 easy. Ooh, oh, there he goes. Easy release. I love it. That's it, man. Purple mulligan is working, buddy. Yeah, I saw the commotion, and you know, look, I think they're there. They're still there. It's like a school, like right there. And that's perfect environment for them. Foot of water, lots of grass. Oh man, that was a nice hit. That was a good hit. And that was a keeper. If I did eat, I don't eat trout, but it would have been a keeper. That would look like a 18 incher. Could keep him 15 to 19 inch. And you could keep one trophy size as well. But I don't like it. It's too mushy for me. I like a firm white meat like pompano. I like snook. Oh, look over there. I like snook, ship's head. Those are my favorites. Pompano, of course. That's like wow. So I can't wait for the surf fishing season. The pompano is here. They're catching the small ones out there. So I think by October, November, December, January, February, that's perfect. That's a perfect season for pompano, whiting, black drum, Spanish mackerel, my favorite bluefish. Could catch them all, so I'll be doing a bunch of surf fishing as well, so stay tuned for those videos. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Spot lug. Just trolling. Oh, are you kidding me, man? Seriously? That's the fourth redfish that I just lost. Oh my god, man. Really? I was just going and trolling, nice casting. Oh my god, man. Wow. Come on, man. That was a big redfish again. Right there. I cast it. I've been doing the same thing. going back to the channel, but just casting, bringing it down like that. He goes all the way back with the current, and boom, he got it right there. Ah, I was going too fast. On my way back, another red. Yes, baby, beautiful. Guys, these redfish are really nice, man. Really nice. Look at that. Oh, don't go there. Feisty, feisty. I got you, baby. Oh, feisty, feisty. Ah, I love it. Right there. On voodoo shrimp. Right on the side of the mouth. Oh, he loved that. He took that. Guys, wow. What an epic day. And I got lost. I'm late. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Oh, just came off. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, he's feisty. Bro, don't be angry. I'm gonna let you go, man. Be nice. I'm your friend. Come on, be nice. Say Say ah. There you go. There you go. Easy, baby. I'm gonna let you go. That's a nice one. Guys, definitely. Oh yeah, he is feisty. Look at that. Beautiful. Another gorgeous redfish. Nice and so. My goodness, man. What is that like? Let's measure by, I think like 21 or so. Wow, beautiful redfish. It is, yep, exactly 21. 21. Perfect. Right on the money. Oh wow, guys. I was going to the ramp. I got lost. But the fish are biting, man. Redfish definitely biting, and they're big. Every fish, redfish I caught, they're 20 plus, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26. Look at this baby. Oh, I love you, baby. Mwah. Thank you very much. Beautiful tail. Look at that blue tail. Yes, baby. I'll let you go. I'll catch you later. Wow, guys, what a day. 9 or 10 redfish hook up. Only caught 4, 5, I'm not sure, but my goodness, man, 1 broke off, 3 spit off. What a day. These are all 20 plus inch redfish, beautiful color, nice golden blue tail, healthy redfish. Some of them were heavy. The 26 inch one was fat. Unbelievable, guys. So definitely fall season is gonna be a epic time for kayak fishing. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh man, I can't wait. You guys gonna have some good content, guys. Lots of good fishing, kayak fishing content. Stay tuned. Ooh, where is that coming from? What the? That's right, you gotta watch the water, man, always. Look at that. That's like ripping, coming. Whoa! What the hell was that? I think something just passed by. Oh, that boat just came in fast. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya!